Welcome to the tutorial on LCD interfacing with Arduino. Before we get started, let's have a look on the LCD. LCD stands for Liquid Crystal Display. A LCD is an electronic display module which uses liquid crystal to produce a visible image. It's a 16 cross 2 LCD, means having 16 columns and 2 rows. Possibility of displaying 32 characters on LCD screen. It's a alphanumeric display which holds the capability of displaying alphabets, numbers and special symbols. It works on two modes, that is 8-bit mode and 4-bit mode. Means I can select the minimum or maximum number of data lines of the LCD. Minimum 4 lines or else 8 lines. It operates at the voltage of 5 volt. Each character in a column uses 5 by 7 pixel matrix to display a single character. Let's have a look on the pin description of the LCD. It has total number of 16. Each pin description is as follows. First is ground, second pin is VCC, third pin is used to adjust the brightness of the LCD screen. To adjust the brightness of the LCD screen, will be physically interfacing potentiometer of value 10K. Fourth pin is register select to select the command register or data register. Fifth pin is read and write pin. As we are performing write operation on the LCD, we will be configuring this fifth pin to ground. Sixth pin is the enable pin, which is used to enable the data lines of the LCD. And finally 15th pin and 16th pin is backlight LED, which is used to turn on backlight of the LCD to have a better experience on checking out the display content of the LCD. Here is the schematic shown the hardware interfacing of LCD with the microcontroller board. Here I am using pin number 8 to 13 to interface with the LCD. Pin number 4, 6, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Rest of the LCD pins are connected to common ground and common VCC. Pin number 1 and 16 is commonly grounded along with 5th pin. Pin number 2 and 15 is commonly connected to VCC. Pin number 3 is being connected to potentiometer of value 10K to adjust the brightness. Let's have a look on the coding. Here is the code to upload with the microcontroller in order to display the content on the LCD screen. The first line is the header file. The second line is the object line and the pin selection of microcontroller board to interface my LCD externally with the microcontroller board. Void setup is a function is used to initialize the LCD screen. As I am using 16 cross 2 LCD, for that reason I have mentioned LCD.begin 16, 2. Next line It says lcd.circursor. By using this command, I can configure the column and row of the LCD. 0 is a column and second digit 0 is a row number. lcd.print welcome is going to get display on the first line of the LCD, and it will be visible for 2 seconds. After that, it is going to get clear off by using a command as lcd.clear. Void loop. This is the function to execute the content mentioned in the loop function to execute a number of times until unless there is a power cut. The first line lcd.circursor 0, 0, it is going to select the first line of the LCD and column number 0. I can display the following message on the LCD as LCD with Arduino on the first line of LCD. lcd.setCursor 0, 1, it is going to select the second line of the LCD. lcd.print on the second line of LCD, a dot 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 is going to get appear on the LCD screen. Now let's upload the code and check out the result. To upload the code, go to Tools and select the microcontroller board as well as the COM port number, and go to Sketch and click on Upload. You can observe the progress bar at the bottom right side. It will take a while to upload the sketch to the microcontroller board. So on the bottom right side, when it is done, it is going to display done uploading. We have done with the program uploading to the microcontroller. You can observe the acknowledgement on the bottom left side. So here is the physical connection of LCD with the microcontroller board to the following pin numbers 8 to 13. Let's power up and check out the output on the LCD screen. So on the LCD screen, welcome message got appeared and it is visible for 2 seconds, and next message is LCD with Arduino in the second line dot 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 dot. Well, that's all about this tutorial, LCD interfacing with Arduino. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.